Hello everyone, ayan, so it's officially autumn season na dito sa Europe and yun, mag-start na ulit ang taglamig, no? So we are expecting this start this month of October until the spring season that would be end from the month of April next year. So October, November, December, January, February, March, April is 6 months na naman na taglamig tayo dito. So may good news ako guys, based on the news broadcast by the European Union this says guys na nangangailangan sila ng 97,000 na workers from the third world country. Mostly ang target nila dito is Vietnam and Philippines, no, from Southeast Asian nation. So based on the economic na pangangailangan ng Europe ay from the first quarter of 2026, so kailangan na po nila mag-hired ng 97,000 workers in the different skilled na kinakailangan po nila dito sa Europe. So lucky tayo kasi isa ang Pilipinas na pinili nila para po kuhanan ng mga workers na gustong magtrabaho po dito sa Europe. So i-ready nyo na ang iyong mga requirements and I'm going to dig deeper into this news para po mabigyan ko po kayo ng guidance kung paano mag-apply at kung ano po yung mga sectors ng economy nila na nangangailangan ng mga workers.